sarap ng caramel.
Oh, we have a cake delivery again. Oh
Yeah.
my God. Chocolate. It's yummy. I'm not sure if I order any cake.
Oh my god. Where
It's
is...
not ours.
Oh my god.
Look, there's name. That's
We
not
need
mine.
to... Ano
That's
to?
not mine.
Yeah.
It's not ours.
Oh my god.
What are we going to do with it?
We're going to... Ano in English na tago?
We're going to hide.
Yes, we're going to hide.
How are we going to hide it?
In your...
In your clothes.
Yes.
We're going to hide it in your clothes.
Oh
Oh my god! We're going to hide. We're going to hide it. Oh my goodness. Come here, we're going to hide it. How?
We're going to
How?
hide in my ano.
How are we going to hide it? I don't know what to do.
We're going to hide in my pocket, in my...
Where?
Dito.
Did you taste it?
Yeah, super, ano, sweet.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, how are we?
Yung bata.
Oh my god, how are we going?
Ikaw gala ba ng brako?
Ah!
Oh my God.
That's yummy.
Ay,
Yum, yum.
ang sarap din.
Mmm.
Ang sarap din.
Mmm. Ang sarap.
Oh my God.
But we
More.
need...
You had more. Oh my God. So many books.
Oh my god. It's yummy.
How about you? We're going to hide in.
We need to hide the other one as well.
Yes.
Hey. Oh my god, my hair!
Sarap din, ate tita.
Oh my god, ang lamig! Ah, it's so cold! Ay! Talagang yung chocolate yung hinarang na
Hindi.
We need to try to get some of those ones also. Ah! Oh yeah. How are we going to?
It's so very sweet.
Ooh, look at this! Oh my gosh!
Yan.
Saan mo to lalagay?
Sure lang. Parang hindi masyado.
They're not going to see it. They're not going to see it.
Hindi kita bigyan niya. Hindi kita. Ano? Tama na.
Still have space?
Yeah.
Ooh, wow. At the back, at the back, at the back. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this one's yum. Yummy.
It's so very sweet.
I think I still have space. Mm. Oh my goodness! It's getting full.
Is that?
Mm.
Another one.
Oh my god. feel it. Oh my goodness. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Oh my God. Sarap din. Masarap dun. Ang sarap. Oh my God. It's yummy. You're so messy. Still have space left the back. Oh my God. There's so sticky. Let me see. Oh my God.
Mainit yung tubig. Ang linga, lumamig na.
Wala, papunta dito. Tingnan mo, naging hinang ako.
Din. Sarap yun. Hindi na din ako. Chan, 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 chan.
My God, how are we going to hide it?
Ah! Cold water!
Do you want more of this? Ah! Number just fake in there. Yummy?
Oo. Tiis lang. Kamukha ko naman.
Ano na baba yung laki ng boobs. Umabot hanggang tiyan yung boobs.
Ayan, makikita na yung
Nalaglag.
bibig ko. Nalalaglag yung bra.
Hala, nalaglag na yung bra.
Wala, nalalaglag na siya. That's sinakin ba?
Hindi naman. Nakatakan naman.
The water is so very cold.
Na ano na.
Kasi hindi ata gawa mo ano. Cemento. Yung styro. Ayun, yung halo tatalaw lang. Ito na, yung lamig na. Kasi ginit na kanto.
Ay! Lamig! Super cold! Lamig naman!
Tiis na! Para sa pera!
Super cold!
Yung lamig na.
Oh my God, ang lamig! Oh my God, ang lamig! Super cold! Ang lamig na na! Ang lamig! Yung balahibo ko yung
Okay din oh.
yung palda. The dress ko. Hindi mo nalaman na dress. Saan pala ito nakalagay sa post? Dress pa naman. Yung dress ko.
Ano yun?
Oh my God! It's lamig talaga! Super cold. Ang lamig. They're still going to see it because it's overflowing! Ang lamig! It's overflowing.
Mabulong siya.
see this. It's not hiding.
It's hiding. Kita na yung aking lid. Maliit. Bumaba na sa
Ano na siya, basang-basa na. Baka nasa... Ah! Ang lamig talaga! It's super cold! Super cold! Oh! Oh, lamig! Oh! It's very cold!
Hindi ko kaya na yung lamig.
Paano ka nga?
Ganyan yung sarili niyo malamig.
Nagunin na siya. Chocolate dumikit na. The chocolate is all over me. Pakalamit ka na doon. Oh my god, it's super cold.
We need to hide all the stuff we have here. We need to hide our boxes.
So they don't have idea where did we, that we grab the cake. We need to throw it away. Need to make sure there's no trace that we have the cake. Oh my god.
Oh my God!
Oh my god, it's super cold. Oh, lumig tulog. Ooh, we need to hide. We need to hide, everyone. Bye. We don't want them to know that we have the cake. Bye. Bye.
Lamig.